everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make unbaked blueberry cheesecake. So here are the ingredients. We have 250 grams biscuits. This is blueberry and vanilla oats biscuits. I use Belvita brand, but you can use whatever biscuit that you want. You can use even plain biscuits because I'm going to add blueberries to my cheesecake. That's the reason that I used blueberry biscuit for the base, but it's your choice. I have 1 cup chopped blueberries here, 200 grams of cream cheese, 100 grams of butter, 200 grams of whipping cream, half of a cup of sugar, 1/3 of a cup of cold milk, 1 tablespoon of gelatin powder, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So I'm now going to powder the biscuits and then I will get back to you. So I'm now going to add the butter. Just remember that the butter is room temperature. And then I'm going to mix the butter with the biscuits. They need to be incorporated. Just mix it well until you don't see any pieces of butter. So the butter is now incorporated into the biscuit powder. I am going to move it into a 10-inch ring that I have here and then pop it into a refrigerator and let it sit for 20 minutes. You can use a smaller ring or you can use any other flat like Pyrex or whatever container that you have. Okay, this is the base. I'm going to put this into a refrigerator and then let it sit for 20 minutes. Okay, while we're waiting for the base of the cheesecake to cool, we can bloom the gelatin and then start mixing our other ingredients. We have to wait 10 to 15 minutes until the gelatin is bloomed, then we can bain-marie it. I'm going to show you how I bain-marie my gelatin. So set this aside and then start mixing other ingredients. Okay, for mixing the ingredients, I first am going to mix the cream cheese with the sugar and vanilla extract, just a little bit. It doesn't need too much of mixing. The cream cheese is also room temperature, so this will help you to have no lumps when you mix them with the cream, with the whipping cream. Meanwhile, I'm going to mix the whipping cream also. Okay, the gelatin is bloomed. Now I want to bain-marie it. This is how I do it. I just we'll put a little bit of water inside a pan and then put the bowl inside it until it gets the heat and melts. It takes almost 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, this is how we want our cream to look like, just very soft peaks. So I'm now going to add the cream cheese mixture to the cream and mix it again. Mix it just for a little bit, it doesn't need lots of mixing. Scrape down the sides of the bowl. So cream cheese and the whipping cream are mixed. We just need to add the blueberries and the gelatin to it. I'm going to add the blueberries. And I'm adding the gelatin. Mix it. Just so that they're incorporated. This is a very soft batter. And now add it to your biscuit base. I've just got this out of the refrigerator. So put this on top. And pop this into a refrigerator and let it sit for about 4 hours until the gelatin is hardened and the cheesecake is ready.